When was the last time you ate suya? And by the way, I was craving this so much to the extent that I had to go to the market to get suya and prepare it. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your stir-fry pasta with suya. These are our ingredients that are bell pepper and carrot, grated onion, grated pepper, seasoning cube, sesame oil, our light soy sauce, our protein, that's suya, and also roasted chicken, ginger and garlic paste, then our pasta itself, and these are all the ingredients we'll be using to make our stir fry. In the pot, add your water, then add a little bit of salt, and then cover it and allow it to bring up to the heat or it starts to boil. After a while, I'm just going to add our pasta to it. I'm just trying to make sure it is properly seated inside the water. Time for us to make our stew, but I always suggest you make your stew first. In a pot, we're just going to add our oil and then add our onion and then saute it for a while. That's between 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. Then we're just going to add our ginger and garlic paste to it, and we're just going to mix this together. After that, we're just going to add our protein to it, that our suya and our roasted chicken. Then we're just going to make sure it is properly seated inside the oil. Next step is our grated pepper and onion. Then we're just going to mix this together. Then we're just going to add a little bit of seasoning cube to this, and then we're also going to mix it again. Then we're just going to add our soy sauce to it. This is the light soy sauce. Our pasta is all dente, so we're just going to sieve it. Then we're just going to add it to our sauce. Then we're just going to mix this together. Time for us to add our veggies, so we're just going in with our veggies to make it colorful. That's our carrot, our red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. Then we're also going to add our sesame oil to it and a little bit of our pasta water to allow it steam. So we're just going to mix this together until it is properly and well combined together. Then we're just going to cover this on a low heat between 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, we're just going to mix again together. And then time for us to serve. Our pasta is ready. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? When you do that, do not forget to tag me. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos and my other videos. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. So bye.